Yomoni Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Yomoni are in the description if you want to check it out. Yomoni is a robo-advisor designed to provide personalized, automated investment solutions for individuals looking for a simple, hands-off approach to wealth management. It focuses on offering diversified portfolios based on risk profiles, with a strong emphasis on long-term financial goals, such as retirement planning. Yomoni uses advanced algorithms to create investment strategies tailored to each user's risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned investors looking for a passive investment strategy. The platform's key features include goal-based portfolio creation, which helps users set specific targets, whether it's for retirement, buying a home, or other long-term financial milestones. Yomoni offers a diverse range of investment options, primarily focusing on ETFs and mutual funds, ensuring that your portfolio is well diversified across multiple asset classes. Additionally, Yomoni provides automatic rebalancing, which means the platform will adjust your portfolio periodically to maintain the desired risk level as market conditions change. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals who prefer not to manage their investments actively, but still want a tailored strategy aligned with their goals. In terms of strengths, Yomoni offers an easy-to-use interface and low management fees, which makes it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. The automated rebalancing and diversified portfolios make it a solid choice for long-term investors who don't want to spend time actively managing their investments. However, there are some weaknesses. Yomoni's investment options are somewhat limited to ETFs and mutual funds, so those looking to invest in individual stocks or alternative assets might find this restrictive. Additionally, while Yomoni provides general portfolio guidance, it lacks direct access to human financial advisors, which might be a disadvantage for investors who need more personalized advice. Overall, Yomoni is a great option for those looking for a hands-off, goal-based investment strategy with a low-cost structure. It's perfect for beginners or long-term investors who are focused on diversification and automated management. However, if you're seeking access to individual stocks or more personalized support, you might want to look elsewhere. For more details, check out the links in the description. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights on robo-advisors.